Welcome to our tutorial on how to effortlessly import multiple choice quizzes into QSM Quiz and Survey Master using the Quiz Importer plugin. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it easy for you to import quizzes seamlessly. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have the QSM Quiz Importer plugin installed. You can buy this premium plugin from our website. Once installed, go to the plugin settings page. In the plugin settings page, find the option to download the import template. This template is crucial for structuring your quiz data. Download it and save it to your computer for easy access. Open the downloaded template and begin by filling in the quiz title. This is the title that will be displayed for your imported quiz. Now, let's focus on importing multiple choice questions. In the question type column, enter choice to specify the question type. Continue by filling in the question title, content, and question image URL. Also, specify the existing question category ID in the question category column. Move on to the options columns, where you can input up to 6 possible answer options. Pay attention to the answer type column. Use text for text answers, rich for rich text answers, and image for image answers. If you've chosen image answers, remember to fill in the captions for image caption 1 to image caption 6. For ordering, fill order number in the order column. Assign points to each answer option by filling the pipe-separated values in the points column. For example, if you want to allocate 6 points to the first option, 2 points to the second option, 4 points to the third option, and so on, you would enter 6, 2 for a 0, 0, 1. Additionally, in the correct answer column, use pipe-separated values to indicate the correct answers. Here, the numerical representation is essential. If your correct answer is the second option, you would enter 0, 1, 0, 0. In this case, the 1 represents true, indicating that the second option is the correct answer. Optionally, fill in additional details such as correct answer info and question hints to enhance your quiz. Once you've completed all the necessary details in the template, save it. Then, head back to the plugin settings page and initiate the import process. Your quiz, along with the images, assigned points, and correct answers, will be seamlessly imported into QSM. Congratulations! You've successfully imported a multiple choice quiz with all its questions into QSM. Let's see how it will show in the front end. Wasn't that easy? Now you can enjoy engaging quizzes on your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy quizzing!